अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हिस्ट्री ऑफ यूएसए के एमसीक्यूज़ हम करने जा रहे हैं। हमारे पास फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज़ है, हु इज़ नोन एज द फादर ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? जेम्स मैडिसन, थॉमस जेफरसन, जॉन एडम और नन ऑफ दीज। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन 1 जेम्स मैडिसन। सेकंड है, दिस फाउंडिंग फादर फ्रॉम वर्जीनिया, now known as father of the Bill of Rights, has a university named after him in that state. John Ray, Alexander Hamilton, George Mason or none of these. Correct option है option 3 George Mason. Third है, what is the purpose of the Second Amendment? To provide arms and ammunition if British attack, citizens with ability to defend themselves against unlawful violence, for the purpose of the forming of National Guard in each state or none of these. Correct option है option 2 citizens with the ability to defend themselves against unlawful violence. Fourth है, who of the following was not a US president? John Adams, Alexander Hamilton, Thomas Jefferson or none of these. Correct option है option 2 Andrew Hamilton. What constitutional amendment gave women the right to vote in 1920? 15th, 17th, 19th or none of these. Correct option है option 3 19th. Sixth है, who was the first president to be impeached? Bill Clinton, Richard Nixon, Andrew Jackson or none of these. Correct option है option 4 none of these. Andrew Johnson थे, यहाँ Andrew Jackson का नाम लिखा हुआ, तो none of these हमारा option है. Seventh है, which of the following was not one of the original 11 colonies or 13 colonies? Massachusetts, Maine, Delaware or none of these. Correct option है option 2 Maine. फिर 8th है, Dash was the US president from 1977 to 1981. Ronald Reagan, Richard Nixon, Jimmy Carter or none of these. Correct option है option 3 Jimmy Carter. 9th है, the XYZ affair took place between US Britain, US Russia, US France or none of these. Correct option है option 3 US France. 10th है, the term big stick diplomacy is associated with the president T. Roosevelt, F. D. Roosevelt, Jimmy Carter or none of these. Correct option है option 1 Theodore Roosevelt या T. Roosevelt. 11th है, who was US president at the time of signing of Camp David Accord between Egypt and Israel? 1 है Richard Nixon, 2 है Lyndon B. Johnson, Ronald Reagan or none of these. Correct option है option 4 none of these Jimmy Carter थे तब. 12th है, Burr conspiracy took place during the presidency of George Washington, Andrew Jackson, Jefferson or none of these. Correct option है option 3 Thomas Jefferson. 13th है, Gadsden purchase or treaty took place between US Great Britain, US France, US Russia or none of these. Correct option है option 4 none of these US Mexico था, यहाँ option नहीं है इसीलिए हमारे पास option 4 है none of these. 14th है, nullification crisis was during the presidency of T. Roosevelt, Jefferson, Andrew Jackson or none of these. Correct option है option 3 Andrew Jackson. 15th है, D-Day was 6 June 1943, 6 June 1945, 6 March 1945 और none of these. Correct option है none of these 1944 था, यहाँ option नहीं है इसीलिए fourth option हमारा. 16 है, The Cold War A New History is written by Henry Kissinger, Samuel P. Huntington, John Lewis Gaddis or none of these. Correct option option 3 John Lewis Gaddis. 17th है, Treaty of Montfontaine was signed with Russia, Great Britain, Dutch or none of these. Correct option है option 4 none of these with France. Option यहाँ पे नहीं है, none of these हमारे पास है fourth option. 18th है, Treaty of Ghent was signed in year 1812, 1813, 1814 or none of these. Correct option है option 3 1814. 19 है, the second great awakening led to rapid economic growth, rapid cultural growth, rapid church growth or none of these. Correct option है option 3 rapid church growth. Last है, the compromise of 1850 was about the issue of territory, slavery, trade or none of these. Correct option है option 2 slavery. ये तो US हिस्ट्री के MCQs. नेक्स्ट पेपर में मुलाकात होती है. अल्लाह हाफिज़.